How to make get well soon card. Do you want to make and send your ill friend a nice get well soon card? So stay tuned with me. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notifications. Today in this video, I will show you how to make get well soon card step by step. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So, are you ready? Let's get started. For this you will need take any size of black card paper. Here I took 24 cm by 15 cm. Fold it into half and press it like this. Now take few heart buttons of any colors. For making this, take white thread, fold it this way. You can roll it on your fingers this way. Cut the thread on both the sides. Take one thread and any heart shaped button, apply hot glue and paste it this way. You have to be very careful while using hot glue, it may burn your finger, so be very careful. Paste it this way. Now second one, keep on pasting. My friends, if you don't have any heart-shaped button, so you don't have to be worried. You can use any simple button or any flower button. And if you want to make Valentine or birthday card, you can use it. For more art and craft videos, subscribe my channel if you haven't and hit the bell button for notifications whenever I upload new video. Keep on pasting one by one. Now hold it this way all together. Take a small thread, hold it this way and tie a knot. This way. Cut the extra thread with scissor. Now I took a small red woolen thread and made a small bow. You can use ready-made bow also if you want. And with hot glue, just paste it. Yeah, it's done. This print was taken from my computer. Paste on top of this card. Yeah, it's done. Isn't it beautiful, easy and simple to make get well soon card? You can make this card as a Valentine or a birthday too by just pasting Happy Valentine or Happy Birthday instead of getting well soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or any request for any special craft, feel free to leave a comment below. And thank you so much for supporting and growing my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't and hit the bell button for notifications. And please don't forget to like, share and comment. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.